What if rent payments helped build credit scores this year? Credit scoring changes are coming soon in 2026. These changes could help millions of Americans with their scores. FICO Score is your credit number from 3 major companies. It shows if you will pay back money on time. Lenders check your score before they decide to lend money. A good score means you get better rates on loans. Bad scores mean you pay more interest on credit cards. Many young people struggle to build credit without any history. Renters often have good payment habits, but low credit scores. This change gives credit for on-time rent payments now. Utility bills like electric and water will also count soon. Paying utility bills on time boosts your credit score greatly. New models look at your payment patterns over many months. They reward people who pay consistently without missing any payments. This is great news if you always pay rent on time. Young adults renting their first apartment will benefit the most. People rebuilding credit after hard times can improve scores faster. The change makes it easier to build credit from scratch. No more needing a credit card to start your credit history. Your consistent rent payments will now count as positive history. Lenders will see you as a responsible payer more clearly. This could lead to better loan approvals for many renters. Imagine a cartoon character paying rent and smiling happily. The character sees their credit score number going up fast. Everyday Americans can now get credit for their monthly bills. Electric bills and gas bills will help your score too. Water bills and internet bills may count in the new system. Make sure your payments are reported to the credit companies. Some services help report your rent to the 3 bureaus. Ask your landlord if they report rent payments to credit. In 2026, more landlords will start reporting rent. Paying on time every month is the key to success. Set up automatic payments so you never miss a due date. Late payments will still hurt your score very badly. Always pay at least the minimum on all your bills. Check your credit reports for free once every 12 months. You can check them more often at special government sites. Look for errors on your credit reports and fix them fast. Dispute any wrong information with the credit bureaus quickly. Building good habits now will pay off for many years. Your payment history is the biggest part of your score. The new data adds more positive points to your history. Consistent payments over time look better than one-time fixes. New models use trended data from the past 2 years. They like to see steady improvement in your payment behavior. This rewards people who have been responsible for a long time. It also helps those who are just starting to be responsible. Renters in big cities will see big benefits from this change. Families paying monthly rent can finally get recognition for it. Students living off campus can use rent to build credit. Military families who move often can still build good scores. Immigrants new to America can start credit with rent payments. Anyone without credit cards can use rent to begin their history. The change levels the playing field for many hardworking people. You do not need perfect credit to benefit from this. Even small improvements in your score can save you money. Better scores mean easier approval for apartments and car loans. You might qualify for lower security deposits on rentals too. Some employers check credit scores before offering certain jobs. A better score opens more doors in your financial life. Start by making a list of all your monthly bills. Include rent, electric, gas, water, and other utility bills now. Set calendar reminders a few days before each due date. Pay every bill a little early to avoid any late fees. Keep records of all your payments for your own peace of mind. If your landlord does not report, look for reporting services. Some banks or apps can help report your rent payments. Research which services work with the 3 major credit bureaus. Choose a service that reports to all 3 if possible. The cost is usually small compared to the benefits gained. Once reported, your on-time payments will start helping your score. It may take a few months to see the positive change. Be patient and keep paying on time without any exceptions. Your score is not just one number, but 3 different ones. Each credit bureau may have slightly different information about you. Check all 3 reports to get the full picture of your credit. Free weekly reports are available from the government website now. Use that site to monitor your credit throughout the year. Watch for any new accounts or inquiries you did not make. Report identity theft or fraud immediately to protect your score. The new models focus more on recent payment behavior. Old mistakes matter less if you have improved recently. This gives hope to people who had problems in the past. Focus on the future and keep making good choices every day. Talk to your family about the importance of on-time payments. Teach your kids early about paying bills to build good credit. Make paying rent and utilities a top priority in your budget. Cut back on other spending if needed to protect your score. Your credit score is like a financial report card for adults. Good grades on this report card open many opportunities. The 2026 changes make it easier to get good grades. You can improve your score without taking on new debt. Rent and utilities are things you already pay every month. Now those payments can work for you instead of just costing money. This is one of the best credit news in recent years. Many financial experts are excited about these positive changes. It encourages responsible behavior that benefits everyone in the long run. Lenders get better information to make smarter lending decisions. Borrowers get fairer treatment based on real payment habits. The system becomes more accurate with more real-world data. Your everyday actions, like paying rent, now have bigger rewards. This motivates more people to pay their bills on time. Fewer late payments mean less stress for families across America. Stronger credit for more people helps the whole economy grow. You can be part of this positive change starting today. Take action now and begin building better credit with your rent. Review your current payment habits and make any needed improvements. Talk to your landlord about rent reporting options this month. Rent reporting services can help boost your score over time. Auto-pay for utilities ensures your payments are always on time. Create a simple budget that puts bill payments first, always. Pay yourself first by saving some money after bills are paid. Your future self will thank you for these smart choices today. Credit scores affect so many parts of daily American life, from buying a home to getting insurance rates and more. Improving your score opens the door to the American dream. Home ownership becomes more possible with a stronger credit profile. Car loans for reliable transportation become more affordable too. Personal loans for emergencies or goals get better terms. Credit cards with rewards and low rates become easier to get. The new changes help more people achieve these financial goals. You do not have to be perfect to see real progress. Small, consistent actions lead to big improvements over time. Celebrate every month you pay all bills on time. Track your score improvements every few months to stay motivated. Share your success story with friends who may need help too. The more people know about this change, the better for everyone. Spread the word about rent and utility payments helping credit. Knowledge is power when it comes to your financial future. Stay informed about other credit tips throughout 2026. Rules and models may continue to evolve in positive ways. Keep learning and adapting your habits to stay ahead. Your credit health is an important part of overall financial wellness. Good credit reduces stress and gives you more options in life. Take control of your credit starting with your next rent payment. Every on-time payment is a step toward a brighter future. This year, 2026, is the perfect time to start. Do not wait for perfect conditions to begin improving your score. Start where you are with what you have right now. Your rent and utilities are already part of your monthly life. Turn them into credit-building tools with a few simple steps. The process is easier than ever thanks to these updates. You have the power to change your financial story this year. Believe in yourself and take that first step toward better credit. Many Americans just like you are already seeing the benefits. You can join them by acting on this information today. Check your free credit reports this week to see your starting point. Identify any areas where you can improve your payment habits.
Make a plan and stick to it for the next 6 months. Review your progress and adjust as needed along the way. Stay positive even if progress seems slow at first. Credit building takes time, but the rewards are worth the effort. The new models reward patience and consistency above all else. Your hard work paying bills will finally get the recognition it deserves. This is your year to take charge of your credit future. 2026 brings exciting opportunities for credit improvement. Embrace the changes and use them to your full advantage. Help your friends and family learn about these helpful updates too. Together, we can build a nation of stronger credit profiles. Your individual actions contribute to a healthier financial system. Feel proud every time you make an on-time payment. That pride will motivate you to keep going strong. The future looks bright for responsible payers across the country. You are making smart choices that will benefit you for decades. Credit is a tool that can help you achieve your dreams. Use it wisely, and it will serve you well for life. The changes in 2026 make the system fairer for all. More data means better decisions by lenders and better outcomes for you. Your story of credit improvement can inspire others around you. Share your journey and help create a community of informed consumers. Stay curious and keep asking questions about your credit and finances. Resources are available to help you every step of the way. Use them and you will see real results in your score. Thank you for watching this video about credit score changes. Remember that small steps lead to big changes over time. Start paying attention to your rent and utility payments today. They can now work harder for your financial future. Check your credit reports regularly to stay on top of things. Fix any problems quickly to protect your growing score. Celebrate your wins, no matter how small they may seem. Every positive payment adds up to a stronger credit profile. You are capable of achieving excellent credit with consistent effort. The tools and changes are here to support your success. Make 2026 the year you transform your credit. Your future self will be so grateful for the work you do now. Take action right after this video ends and begin today. Like this video if you learned something new about credit scores. Subscribe to the channel for more simple finance tips every week. Comment below with your credit score goal for this year. Share this video with anyone who rents or pays utility bills. Together, we can help more Americans improve their financial lives. The information in this video is for educational purposes only. Always do your own research before making financial decisions. Consult a professional advisor if you need personalized advice. Thanks again, and have a wonderful day building better credit.